Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about Hamsa Yoga. This is one of the Panch Mahapurusha Yoga, and this yoga's name is Hamsa Yoga. As you know that Hamsa is one very royal, majestic bird, water bird, which is known for its again reality and royalty. Hamsa Yoga is quite similar to that. This is very neat and clean, wise and intelligent, literary kind of a yoga. This yoga is formed because of Jupiter's some position and being in some sign in your horoscope. So I am going to discuss that only, that which sign is that and which planet is that. Well friends, Jupiter is the planet of wisdom, of intelligence, of not exactly intelligence. Wisdom is more bestowed by the grace of Devguru Brihaspati, the Jupiter. So Jupiter is the planet which gives you the wiseness, and it prevails over the best of the intelligence and the best of the wisdom on anything that you pursue in your life. So this Jupiter, when is in first house, fourth house, seventh house, or 10th house, that means in the angles in your horoscope or in your birth chart. Along with that, it should also be in the sign of Pisces, Sagittarius, and its exaltation sign, Cancer. So, in these three signs, and if it is in first, fourth, seventh, 10th house, you have Hamsa Yoga. Now, what does Hamsa Yoga does? Hamsa Yoga, since beginning, since your childhood, uh, guides you and directs you to the fields of knowledge, to the higher education, to the higher level of the purpose, the higher purpose. And these people basically get into the fields of the highest order of education. They are the very learned people. They can be very literary people also. They can be in the field of literary arts. They can be, as we call it, sahityakar, the poets of highest order like Vivekananda or Harivansh Rai Bachchan. So I will tell you the people who have it. So there are two prominent personality I want to discuss. The first prominent personality who has this, who had this yoga is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He has Jupiter in his lagna, in his ascendant, in the sign of its exaltation, that is Cancer sign. Number one, Jupiter is such a benefic planet. In all the planets, the most benefic planet is Jupiter. It is a planet of expansion, expansion of your wisdom, of your wiseness, of your greatness of thoughts. It is a planet of spiritualism. And as much we know about Dr. APJ Kalam, that he was not only very hardworking person, he studied really hard and reached to the level of President of India by sheer his hard work, his sheer his wiseness that guided him all through his life from since his childhood. We all know that he came from a very humble background, from a very remote village in India, and reaching to this level, you can understand the kind of expansiveness that you need to be at this level. So he had this Hamsa Yoga, which made him such a expansive, such an big personality, and President of India. The biggest honor one can have in his life was because of Jupiter being in Cancer in ascendant, causing him Hamsa Yoga. Hamsa, as I said, is the honor of being white, clean, regal, royal, majestic, neat and clean personality, and who at the end of their life they become the epitome of learnings to the masses, to the people. So this is called Hamsa Yoga. So just check out your Kundali. Do you have Hamsa Yoga in your horoscope? Because it is very expansive yoga, and if it is there in your Kundali, you will definitely be having the traits of being wise, being thinking person, a person who doesn't act just for the sake of it, or maybe doing small petty acts. They really think a lot. Then they're more towards studies, more towards education, and they are self-guided, disciplined people. I have one more personality who had this yoga was Harivansh Rai Bachchan. We all know Mr. Harivansh Rai Bachchan, the father of Amitabh Bachchan, and he is very well known for his poetries, his writings, his thoughtful notes. And even today we recite those, and sometimes they come to our mind that those lines are so meaningful. So such was his work. Again, the person of expansiveness of thoughts. Again, the person who had a lot of wisdom to share with the other people, and a lot of people follow him even today through his writings that he did. So a literary person, a clean person, a person who has a lot of spiritual, or say the practical experiences to share with the people. Even today we appreciate and acknowledge that, well, yes, this the same thing is happening with me, and I empathize with those words and those lines and those poems, poetries, and those stories. So this kind of personalities come up with this Hamsa Yoga. So Hamsa Yoga is caused, again I will share with you that this yoga is caused because of the planet Jupiter. Jupiter is the planet of expansion and wisdom, and it is also some part indicates the spiritual, the moksha, and also the deep learning. So this Jupiter, when is in exaltation sign, that is Cancer, in its own sign Pisces or Sagittarius, in the first, fourth, seventh, and 10th house, that are the angles, then you have this yoga. And this yoga will definitely take you to the heights of the beginning of whatever is there in your mind or in your soul that you want to do. That will be really enlarged with time. So keep pursuing your talent or your interest, because if you have this yoga, it will definitely take you to your destination. Thank you for watching my channel. Do subscribe, share, and like it. Bye bye.